Masicka, spend. We're gonna talk about it. Let's go. Alright, viewers and subscribers, don't know it's a boy Fayskull. And welcome to another video. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and click the subscription button right below the video and support the channel. You see me? Hold on, I'm plugging the laptop here. Yeah. Alright, so today we're gonna talk, we're gonna listen to Masicka, Spend, and we're gonna reason about this song. You see me? I say, let's get right into the video. One way I hear based on the title and something there, as the song suggests, spend. You know what I mean? My knowledge, based on what me think the song gonna be about is that my sing about like my tell the girl them say, yo, man, if you spend for own, you see me I say that me feel like I'm start sing about. You see me I say, so far the rhythm sound good, you see me? That's the first part, the starting sound good, you see me I say the first beginning of the song sound good. You see me I say the vocals and them thing there, the entry sound good and them thing there. Catchy and really captivating. You see me? Let's go. I say, yo, him a go spend on pussy. I no lie. You see me I say? So basically I say, yo, money if you spend on girl. You see me I say? We you hearing that song, I don't know joking no. You see me? Money if you spend on girl, you see me? As a man, you have your money. You see me? Cause if you don't have the money, bro, you never get certain girl. Or certain girl. I'm not call him girl. You know get certain girl. Certain girl. You see me I say, if you want to get the top class girl them, or the girl that makes sense, you have to have the money. You have to spend money on girl. You see me? You not necessarily have to buy. You know what I mean? But me have a question for you as a man. Would you rather have a girl at your home, you know what I mean? I take care of her, she a cook, clean, wash for you and something there. Give her money a month time. You see me? Or would you rather, you know, live in a free life where you just say and really have a woman? You see me? I say, but you buy box. You see me? Which are gonna lead to less stress, less problems, no quarreling, no headache. When you leave it in the comment section, which one you as a man would prefer? Having a right old girl at home or going on the street and buying box? Leave it in the comment section. Let's go.
Spend me money, spend money, spend me money, spend money, spend me money, spend money, spend me money, spend.
So basically, of course, I say, spend me money, spend money, spend me money, spend money. Girl from an app, me spend me money. You see me? That's the dog I say. From the girl hot, from the girl skin clean, from the girl sexy, round and curvaceous. Money if you spend. You see me? I say, me believe say, yo, once you have a girl, bro, and she do the right thing, it's money if you spend on her. You see me? Take care of her, bro, cause you are the man. You see me? You are the man. Once you're the man and you earn the money and you have a girl, you do the right thing, you know what I mean? Take care of the girl, bad man. You see me? Spend the money. You see it? Let's go. As the Masicka saying in a song, you see me? Spend me. Me reach long time. On the last week. You see me? Me figure the next part. But the line the bad. Yo. Spend the money, bad man. Spend the money for the girl them, brother. The girl them look good too. You see it? And I want to tell you, say, The girl have more than one man I spend on them too. So you might just feel like say, yo, are you alone I spend on she? And next man runs I spend on it too. You know what I mean? Cause them girls have man for everything, bro. Man for pay them bill, man for buy them food, man for drop them a different location. Man who then raise with, man who would never get the front to. You see me I say? So them girls have man for everything. You know what I mean? And I just one man the girl them have, bro. And I just one. You see me? So you have to, if you know where I do still. But money if you spend, man, girl, that's it.
We buy you a house, me no pussy clad cheap. Brand new machine.
The man say when you buy you a house in the pussy clad cheap. So ladies, once the thing up, you know, house, car, you know what I mean? Money I go spend. You see, pray.
No, you feel walk straight. Your pussy have a good door, so the boss do it.
You hear where dog say? You hear where dog say, ladies? If the thing not good, if the box not good, the money not spend. So if you now have a little special grip there, you know what I mean? The money not gonna spend no ladies. So you don't have to keep your thing up. Is it?
Looking good though, Chanel ya beat. Last night me send ya a meal, me can't sleep. My upper
Blood Clyde dog saying send a girl a meal. You can't sleep. $1 million is not a joke money, you know. Matter of fact. You have man who spend more than that upon one girl already. You see me I say? When if you mean like $1 million Jamaica or $1 million US, you see me? Because $1 million US are crazy money that. I feel like we talk $1 million Jamaican dollars. You know what I mean? But you have man out there will spend 100,000 K US, 100K US for a girl. You see me? Just to power the girl. Need even get the front umbre. Not even the box the man them to get. But they must spend 100K US. Just to power with a girl, bad man. I mean, I talk about like a celebrity girl, not no normal girl. And then you have other celebrity now where pay $1 million US. You know what I mean? To take a girl virginity. You see me? I don't think I say that on YouTube. Probably black that out. But a real life thing, bad man. Man out there spend crazy money on females, bro. Just for the front, you know what I mean? So you have to spend the money, bad man. Let's go. If you don't have money, if you don't have clothes, if you don't have status, your words no worth nothing. You see me? So you have to, as a man, you have to build up them things there. Build up your status, your money, your worth. You know what I mean? If you become something in a life, bad man. You see me? Or else you're not gonna be nothing in this life. You see me? So listen, that's how you attack a lot. The writing simple. It just says spend me money, but there's a lot behind it. You see me? I say it's not just spend the money. You see me? You have to do some things for build up a thing as a man. You see me? I say because if you don't have money in this life, bro, if you don't have certain things set in place, you're not gonna get what you want. You see me? You're not gonna be treated as what you want to be treated as, if that makes sense. So you have to get the money up first, and the girls are rolling. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Spend the money. Blood clot. Yo. But yo, that song about. It is a bad song. The Eastern song, you know what I mean? The rhythm bad. Masicka song them always well put together. You see me I say? Spend the money.
You don't, nothing wrong. Grab up your pussy, you know fi hold your man. But the saving pan.
Blood Clyde dog say empty saving pan. Yo. The man say empty saving pan to put umbre.
So me spend me money, spend.
Really and truly, though, me not think no man would be dumb enough to spend them last on a girl. Me not think a man would be so naive to spend them last until them now nothing left. No money in their bank account, nothing at all. Them bank account dry. Savings dry. Me not believe that, bro. I mean, you have man out there do it, bro. But Jano, bro, imagine you spend your last dollar for the box. That's some desperation right there. But the song bad, the lyrics bad, rhythm bad, you know what I mean? Well put together. The cover art bad. You see me?
Me money, spend money.
The concept bad. You know what I mean? Because when I think about it, you know, enough man out there spending money. Pam, box. You see me? I say, that's why you have only fans and them thing there. You have man a dash money for girl on live and them thing there, bro. All over the world. You see me? So I just running at the world still. You see me? I say, money you have to spend upon the girls and basically. That's what the song I say. If you want a girl, if you want a box, you have to spend the money. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Masicka, spend money. Bad song. Lyrics bad, reading bad, as me say, cover art bad. You see me? Concept bad. You see me? It's a good song. You know what I mean? Yeah, me not really have much left to say about this song. But it is a good song, you see it. So if you like this song, people, leave it in the comment section. Type what you like about the song. You know what I mean? Let me know which song you feel like I run the place. You see me? I say, me know which other song you want me to react to. You know what I mean? Leave that in the comment section. You know what I mean? As if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you click the subscription button. You see me? So the channel can grow. So you can get and turn on post notifications so you can get notified when we drop a brand new video. You know what I mean? This was Masicka Spend, reacted by Fayskull. Until next time, people. Fayskull out. Let's go. Boom!